Hey, I'm Stefan. I'm going to be talking about our tool, which is based around this issue, sand theft around the world. So I'll start with the end product, which is this super cool open source dashboard for monitoring sand theft around the world. It's all interactive and stuff, so you can click on things and things filter and whatnot. It's just built on QuickSight on the back end and just hosted freely on the website. So yeah, we've got different vessel types and stuff. It's dope. We also did some pattern of life stuff with heat maps. So like hour, day of the week, so on. Yeah, so some trip stuff there. Then the last thing is trying to quantify the costs. So open sourcing a simple equation for quantifying the cost or the amount of wealth that's being stolen per hour by these, or harvested per hour by these various dredgers around the world. This is the repo. So yeah, it's a public repo, 7-bolter sand dredger. It's a really simple little guy here. So it's just a really simple Python library. The cool thing about it, so here's these are the MMSIs for the boats that you care about. These are all dredgers. The cool thing about this is it's so lightweight that it can fit into a Lambda without any special third-party dependencies. So you can package it all up in infrastructure as code and deploy it through CDK or Terraform. Unfortunately, this data does cost money, so the user needs to get a free API key because it costs money from this place. Cool. So this is Datalastic. They're the cheapest provider of kind of real-time marine telemetry, good coverage, cheap, easy to work with, good APIs. So you need to go there and get yourself a free or a trial period API key for $10. You chuck that sucker back into the code and it should work. The workflow is kind of like, first you would go to one of these vessel finder services. This is vesselfinder.com. Got a bunch of vessels here. Then you develop some kind of a hypothesis for something you care about. You sucker. Ugh. So for example, this is the Kirsch, the bridge at Kirsch. I'm kind of interested in tugboats, let's say. So I might click here, find tugboats or bulk carriers or whatever that are using this port. It's kind of interesting. And then I might grab their MMSI, skadoosh, copy that sucker, feed her back into your MIMSs here, Python run the code, Bob's your uncle. Next thing I would do is package this up as CDK so that it can be deployed as infrastructure as code package into any AWS environment. So yeah, cool.